We're going to be installing some garage door weather stripping, and you're going to want to measure your door, and we're going to add an extra 1/8 inch and it'll give it a nice tight install. We're going to measure this here, and we got 83 and a half. All right, so now we're going to measure this. You're going to line this up. This garage door is pretty bent out of shape, so we're going to fit it and just push this the best we can to mold our door. We'll tuck this like that. This needs to go a little closer up here. Nail it off. Good. With the curve. And now we're going to do the other side. You can see that one over there. There's a little bent in the corner there. But that's because our garage door is not perfectly aligned. So you just kind of bend that to get a nice seal. And then you do the right side. And then after you do the right side, you'll do the top. 2 5/8. This door is really messed up right there, but shape it. So it's kind of bowed like that, so you tuck it, and then once you nail it, it'll have a nice fit. All right, so the top measurement, kind of long for the tape measure. Sometimes, depending on your tape measure, this one's like rolls over. What you can do is you can come over and measure, let's just say, measure 4 feet here. So we got our 4 foot. And then we can go from this side, and then you just add 4. So that's going to be 58 and 3/8 plus the 4 feet. And we'll go cut that. All right, so you're just going to line this up in the corner. Get your first one nailed. And then put a little pressure on that. And then we'll come down here, we'll get this one lined up. Have your bow, and then you'll just work that in. Out of staples, our nails, and put our nails in. All right, and then you can see this door is pretty messed up here. It's dented and beat up, so we got it lined up there, and this corner kind of goes in a little bit, and then we just maneuver this stuff because it's really flexible, and have that going in, and it pushes in, and then it kind of slopes back out here a little bit, but that's fine. We want a good seal, We even still have, see where the door is here? We could actually push this in a little more here. And you can see that's good. The old stripping was here and that was still gapped. So we had to move that in. So this is where the old stuff was. So until we get new doors, that'll work.